Hello and welcome to Indian Kitchen Flavors. Today I'll show you this amazing no-cook roasted gram ladoo. This is very easy to prepare without cooking and it takes very less time. As we all know, Diwali is just around the corner. So let's make some sweets at home. And let's get started and have a look at the recipe. Here I have 1 cup of roasted chana dal. You can easily get this in supermarket. So we will take the chana dal and put it into a mixer jar. Along with this, I will add half a cup of sugar. To this, I will add 3 cardamoms. We can open this up. So just open and then add it. If you want to grind it with the skin on, you can do so. Otherwise, you can just add in the seeds of cardamom. Now, I will grind all the 3 ingredients into a fine powder. So after grinding, our mix should look like this. It's all into a fine powder. We'll take this out into a bowl. So here you can see our roasted gram, sugar, cardamom have all become into a fine powder. We want it to be like this. We don't want any grainy bits into the mix. Next, I've taken some cashews. This is around 8 to 10 cashews which I've just crushed. We will add this. This is optional. If you want to add, you can. Otherwise, you can. Now here I have taken around half a cup of ghee or clarified butter. We will gradually add this to the mix and we will mix everything together until our gram and this powder comes into a consistency in which we can bind the laddus. So little by little we'll add the ghee, mix everything. I'll add in little more. Now I will use my hands to mix everything together. Here, as you can see, our mix have started to bind properly. That means our mixture is ready to prepare the laddus. And here I have used less than half a cup of ghee. Now with this mix, we will start preparing the balls or laddus. If the mix is sticking to your hands, you can grease your hand with some ghee. So here you can see our laddu is all ready. The similar way we will prepare laddus with all the dough that we have. So here I have finished preparing all the laddu. I have garnished it with some pieces of cashew nut. This is optional. If you wish, you can garnish, otherwise you can skip. So here was the easy recipe to prepare roasted gram laddus without cooking. I hope you will give it a try this Diwali. And if you like it, please don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you like today's video, please don't forget to hit the like button. And do subscribe to my channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Indian Kitchen Flavors. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again with a new video. Till then, happy Diwali. Bye-bye.